Hello, I'm Seven. Here I would like to introduce the iPhone 6 Plus LCD screen, and there are two colors, white and black, and this is physical. Okay, next I would like to introduce the specification. Okay, and now it's about its dimension outline. It is 156 length and 75 millimeter, and about its active area, it's about 120 and 68 millimeter. And the ASIC type is COG plus FPC, and the TP config is GNG. And its screen size is 5.5 inch. Its resolution is about 1920 by 1080. The LCD type is ACTFT Metric, and its OCA is Mitsubishi 170 micron. The LC was from TSMC. The backlight config is ESR and customized high rain color, and POL config integrate from POL Brighten back LPOL, and the oleophobic coating is available. Its advantage is about its PLS. It is 360-degree polarized lens supported. It can increase the brightness of LCD screen, and the luminance is 476.3 CDR per square meter. And if you want to know more about our specification, you can contact this email. Thank you.